Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you have a busy cat like I do that turns everything in your home into a toy, biting and scratching at it? Then you are going to love having this cat tunnel from MOYMO because it's going to keep them occupied and playing with toys that they actually should be playing with. As soon as I took this out of the package, zipped it up, and put it on the floor, my cat Scully was all over it. She loves darting in and out of the entrances, playing with the dangling ball, and she actually takes naps inside the tunnel. She hasn't used the cushion that comes in the middle yet, but she seems really content just inside. This is a really nice soft gray fabric. It is holding up really well to all of her biting and scratching, and it is so comfy for her. Plus, it keeps her totally engaged. If you've been wondering if one of these cat tunnels would be good for your cat, I can absolutely recommend it. And that's my point of view.